Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. The default keyboard that comes with the smartphone is often the one that users are most familiar with. They may have been using it for a long time and have become accustomed to its layout, features, and functionality. Okay, and then to restore the default keyboard on this device, you can follow the steps. First of all, I will show you my keyboard display. Okay, and then here you can see that I'm using an additional keyboard. And then the way to change it, you can tap on the keyboard icon at the bottom here. Well, after that you can select your default keyboard. Okay, so now the default keyboard on your device is successfully restored. And then for the second way, open Play Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please scroll down. Okay, and then you can choose General Management option. Well, after that, you can select Keyboard List and Default. Okay, and then to turn off additional keyboard on your device, you can press on it. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.